Morning. Travis Egan, my mortgage guy, VA home loan specialist here. Just getting back into doing my daily lives, daily lessons, and daily musings and lessons learned. It's been a minute, if you can't tell. So today I wanted to talk to you about something that I spent a lot of time thinking about, and I'd love to hear your feedback on it. How to craft an amazing customer experience. And I've heard coaches over the years, from Todd Duncan to Joe Stumpf to Carl White to Tom Ferry. I mean, lots of really smart people, a lot smarter than I am. Um, Talk about crafting an amazing experience for your customers. Um, and what really got me thinking is, as I was going down this road, is my wife and I had a great experience a couple weekends ago celebrating our wedding anniversary. We went to the Grand Ole Opry Hotel, Grand Ole Opryland Hotel, Grand Ole Opry Hotel, the Gaylord. It was awesome. We just spent the day there, just hung out. It was fantastic. Um, and on the way home, I really spent a lot of time kind of thinking about that. And I think back to a time when I had probably the most amazing experience. I've had a lot of really great customer experiences in and around Clarksville, but particularly one that was special for me is I had won a presidential trip as one of the top producers for a mortgage company that I worked for. That particular company no longer exists, CTX Mortgage Company. I loved working there. The team was awesome. Well, when you made this certain level of production, you got to go on this trip, and it was in Cancun, Mexico. And they literally, the team, so they had a team of people that did this. Clearly, one person couldn't have done it. They crafted the experience in such a way that everything, everything about it was spectacular. I mean, from the time I left my home to the time I returned to my home. And I'll just give you some examples. I was picked up in a limo, took us to O'Hare Airport. We flew direct from O'Hare to Cancun. They had a shuttle waiting for us. When we arrived at the hotel, there were people out there, servers waiting to serve us margaritas. We could see out right onto the beach. When we got to our room, there were beach towels waiting for us, branded. Like, no one brings a beach towel to a beach, right? Like, not maybe I shouldn't say that. Nobody does. I never did. And we had these amazing beach towels, which, by the way, we still use to this day. To this day, we're still using those beach towels. Um, just an amazing. Every day was something different. And every other day, you'd get up and you're like, wow. You'd walk out, your hotel room door, and they'd have fresh brewed coffee sitting in the hallway waiting for you, like a coffee service waiting for you as you walked out. Some of it was the hotel, some of it was the team, but my goal would be to provide that to every one of my customers. And in today's regulatory environment, doing what I do as a mortgage professional, sometimes that's really hard. And so I spend most of my day trying to figure out how can I take the experience of buying a home and all the paperwork that's required, and how do we deliver exceptional customer experiences that make other people want to talk about our service. Um, and so it's an ongoing challenge, right? Just when I think I have it figured out, the regulatory rules change and there's things we can't do. So my encouragement to you today is think about what could you do, whether as a team member or as a team leader, what can you do to craft an experience that when someone comes to your experience, they're just blown away, they're just wowed by it, and they're thinking about it years later, which is the case here. So that's my encouragement to you today. Once again, I'm Travis Egan, my mortgage guy, VA home loan specialist. Thank you for watching Daily Musings and Lessons Learned. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.